Quick update. We used to have those old console tables with record players on them. First time I played a Beatles record, I was shocked. I could hear different instruments coming from one side of the speaker and other sounds from the other. Well, it blew my mind, and I'm a fan. My maker friend is from England. Jamie Page. He caught wind of my love for the Beatles and did this.
Anyone seen Eloy this morning? Been trying to get hold of him. He's the reason I'm here. Eloy Escagedo. He's the reason I'm at Abbey Road at the moment. Yeah, I'm standing right at the edge of the crossing at the moment at Abbey Road. Yeah, I'll give you a quick look at the view of the Abbey Road album cover that you've probably all seen. There you go, there's the famous crossing. That's the one all four of them walked over. Well, you'll be able to see it when there's poxy bandits out of the way. But you see how many people are walking across it. See what I mean? Look, people are posing on it and drivers are getting pretty damn cheesed off. As you can hear by the horns. So you can still where people have been writing on the walls. So you can see some of the stuff here. Yeah, Eloy said he was going to get up for it, so I mean it's going to be. I'm going to make sure I save it to Facebook or post it to Facebook so he doesn't miss it. So yeah, but yeah, there's stuff all over here. But yeah, there's the Abbey Road Studios. Oh, Frank, I'll talk to you later, mate. And here's something I bet Eloy would never see before. Look at that. His name outside Abbey Road Studios.
You might want to go check his channel out and let him know you saw my thank you video, Escagedo Woodworking.